Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going back in time to explore one of the most iconic luxury cruisers ever built, the 1987 Cadillac Brougham, in a stunning silver blue shade exterior with matching silver blue interior. This is not just a car, it's a symbol of old-school American luxury. Big body, soft ride, chrome everywhere, and a presence that modern cars still struggle to match. In this full review, we'll go through the design, interior luxury, driving feel, performance, and what it's worth today. So sit back, relax, and let's bring back the golden era of Cadillac. Exterior. The first thing you notice about the 1987 Cadillac Brougham is its size and elegance. This is a true full-size luxury sedan from a time when cars were built to dominate the road, not blend into it. In this silver blue shade, the car looks absolutely timeless. The color gives it a soft yet premium glow, not too flashy, not too dull, just perfectly balanced. Under sunlight, it reflects a cool metallic shine that highlights the long, straight body lines. At the front, you get that signature Cadillac identity, the bold vertical grille paired with stacked rectangular headlights. It instantly tells you this is a Cadillac, even from far away. The chrome bumper stretches wide, adding to the car's strong and formal appearance. Moving to the side, the design is long, boxy, and confident. There are no unnecessary curves or aggressive styling tricks, just pure American luxury design philosophy. The chrome trim runs cleanly along the body, while the vinyl-style roof option adds an extra touch of class. The wire-style wheels and white-wall tires complete the look perfectly. They don't just support the car, they define its era. Every angle of this Brougham feels intentional, like it was designed to be respected, not just seen. At the rear, the design stays elegant and simple. Vertical tail lights, a long trunk, and chrome finishing give it that unmistakable Cadillac presence. This is a car that doesn't shout, it arrives. Interior. Now open the door, and you step into a completely different world, a world of 1980s American luxury. The silver blue interior is the highlight here. It feels soft, calm, and extremely classy. The color flows through the seats, door panels, and even parts of the dashboard, creating a unified luxury atmosphere. It's not dark and aggressive, it's elegant and soothing. The seats are wide, plush, and designed for pure comfort. This is the kind of car where you don't just sit, you sink in. Long drives feel effortless because everything is built around relaxation. The dashboard is simple but iconic. You get a long, flat design with clean analog gauges, chrome accents, and classic Cadillac styling. Everything is driver-focused but not overwhelming. It reminds you that this is an era before screens took over. Everything is mechanical, tactile, and honest. Wood trim details add a premium touch across the cabin, while soft-touch materials make the interior feel more upscale than many competitors of its time. Rear passengers are treated like VIPs. Huge legroom, wide seats, and soft cushioning make the back seat feel like a private lounge. This was a car built for comfort, not speed. Even today, the cabin feels spacious and relaxing. At night, the interior has a calm, dim glow from its simple lighting setup, no distractions, just pure vintage luxury vibes. Performance. Now let's talk about how the 1987 Cadillac Brougham drives, because this is where its personality really shows. Under the hood, you typically get a V8 engine, designed more for smooth cruising than aggressive performance. It delivers steady, relaxed power rather than fast acceleration. This is not a car that rushes, it glides. Press the accelerator, and you feel a gentle surge of torque rather than sudden speed. The experience is calm, controlled, and extremely comfortable. The suspension is soft, and I mean really soft. It's tuned for maximum comfort, absorbing road bumps like they don't exist. On highways, the car feels like it's floating. That's why people often call these land yachts. Steering is light and relaxed, perfect for city cruising and highway driving. You're not fighting the road, you're gliding over it. Fuel economy isn't the focus here, and it shows. But buyers of this car were never looking for efficiency, they were looking for comfort, prestige, and presence. This is the kind of car where driving isn't about excitement, it's about experience. Technology and features. For 1987, the technology is simple but effective. You get power windows, power seats, automatic climate control, and an AM/FM cassette stereo system, all luxury features for its time. No screens, no digital overload, just classic analog controls that work reliably and feel satisfying to use. The air conditioning is strong, the seating adjustments are smooth, and everything is built with durability in mind. Cadillac focused on comfort and ease of use, not complexity. Pricing and value. When it was new in 1987, the Cadillac Brougham was a premium luxury sedan, priced significantly higher than average cars of its time, a true status symbol. Today, the value depends heavily on condition. A well-maintained or restored 1987 Cadillac Brougham typically ranges from around $10,000 to $25,000, while pristine collector-quality examples can go higher depending on originality and mileage. What makes it valuable isn't just age, it's nostalgia, design, and the pure American luxury experience it represents. Driving this Cadillac is like stepping into a different era. The long hood stretches ahead, the steering is smooth, and the cabin surrounds you in comfort. You don't rush in this car. You cruise. You enjoy the road, the sound of the V8, and the soft ride quality that isolates you from the outside world. It's a car that encourages relaxation. Whether you're driving through the city or cruising on the highway, it makes every journey feel slow, calm, and luxurious. The 1987 Cadillac Brougham in silver blue exterior with matching interior is a perfect example of classic American luxury done right. It's big, comfortable, elegant, and built with a clear purpose to make driving feel effortless and prestigious. In today's world of sharp designs and high-tech interiors, the Brougham reminds us of a time when luxury meant space, softness, and presence. If you're someone who appreciates classic cars, vintage luxury, and timeless design, this Cadillac is more than just a vehicle, it's a rolling piece of history. And honestly, nothing quite replaces the feeling of a big Cadillac gliding down the road in pure comfort.